Victor, for your house on Ward Street, I just got done with the inspector. He saw your plans because I saw your briefcase thing over there. I pulled him out. He didn't say anything about the deck. He didn't even go looking at it, so just let it be. The framing around here is going to be okay because this is going to act as your header, so we're fine there. For these 2x4s that are going to hold the sheetrock, what he was explaining to do is go from this joist to this joist, put a 2x4 or something, and then what you're going to do, almost just like this. So you see how this 2x4 is attached to something, you just can't yank it down? He's like, just add some supports all throughout here, and he's like, that'll work. He didn't say anything about the crispy wood being a problem. For this Tico bracket right here, the one that you bent it up and put over, he's like, the problem is you're not going to find a Tico bracket for that, but take these nails out and put in 3-inch ones, because these are just the 1.25" that you have in there. We'll get a joist hanger for this one right here by the HVAC system. We're going to get a joist hanger on this one as well. For this one here, because you see how low it's cut, make sure that you put a piece of blocking from joist to joist, and then something to screw into the joist, and then toenail to the side. That'll give it the support that it needs. It's just holding up sheetrock. Over here for this beam, we do have to put something, a little post or something down here. So what's going to happen here, instead of having this right angle, we're going to come out. Maybe you have like a little box or something right here, or maybe 45 it so it's kind of like a clean transition versus a box. If it's my house, I'd be doing that, and I just 45 it. But get some 2x4s to support that. When we do the 2x4 support for down below, make sure that I think your main girder, one of your girders is down here, so I think you have support there. But you got to make sure that carries the weight and it carries it down. So that's fine. These ones, even though these 2x4s are cut like that, same thing. Put some boards around here and then connect them. Board, and then connect them to hold them up. If we can get a joist hanger here, get the joist hanger on. We know that we need all the 2x4 joist hangers here. Those are all pretty simple. But the same thing, like go somewhere right in the middle. So from where your main metal I-beam is to the side, pick the center, get your flat supports, and then cut maybe like a 2x4 10 inches big or whatever it is. Nail it that way, and then nail it into the top beam. This can work the same way over here. So just closer here, get a board going up that way, and just catch a board going up over here on both sides of that. And that should be fine. The way that you did your fire stopping over there is fine. So we'll just continue doing all the fire stopping over here. The header that we have over here, I mean, this one should be fine because it's right on the edge. But for this one here, we just want to make sure that we, underneath, because your beams go this way, we want to make sure there's support in the basement underneath here. So I'm just going to take a quick walk downstairs. So just drill a hole down, and let's say that this is the header right here. Since there's no support here, what you got to do is just got to add, your 2x4 blocking underneath it, so the weight gets dispersed from up top and it goes right down on this post. If the the header is right on top of here, right up there, then you're okay because your support's already over there. All this stuff over here, I mean, say it's existing, so they're kind of letting it slide. But just grab a joist hanger on some of these. So you're going to joist hanger the hell out of it. Over here, you can put a joist hanger on the bottom side, or you can put like an L bracket. Get a little L bracket on that one too, just to help the support. That's everything's actually okay over here. So for the second floor, specifically for this beam right here, this is that long ass 2x6. Get another 2x6 and sister it together, okay? So when you sister it, what you can do is you can put a Tico bracket on here, going in that way. Get a Tico bracket on this one right here. And we got a Tico bracket and fix over on this side. For where the plumber cut all these holes, you see how he went right to the edge of the joist, it's not in the center. So you need to get those, the little horseshoe boots. So you're gonna need a horseshoe, one here, one there, one here now. You'll need to do that one, and that one as well. Everything over here you didn't have an issue with. The only thing that you did though is you moved the window from over here, which was existing, you moved it over here. So now when you move a new window, you've got to meet the egress. This window does not work as an egress window. An egress window is going to be wider and it's going to be taller. There are measurements and there's calculations because not every window is egress. So you can have a little bigger, a little bit wider. But an easy solution for this one is take this window out, put in a casement window. Casement window is the one that you crank and it kind of like goes like that. When we have properties where we need egress and we don't have the space, that's a good way to cheat. So you got to do replace that window over there. Other than that, the guy was definitely cool. He's not a ball buster. So, all right, get to that work, and then we can call back for inspections. Just also do something. He didn't bring it up, but he'll see it later. Maybe just put another a strap in between here, just so that you know, they don't see that. And then make sure your fire stop is done.